I'm intrigued. Totoo nga bang muntik nang mamatay si Mark Bautista? At itong muntik niyang pagkamatay, totoo nga rin kayang yan ang naging dahilan kung bakit siya nag-come out? Dealers, quick facts muna tayo. Last 2017, si Mark Bautista ay nasa Seattle, Washington. In fact, siya ay lulan ng isang Uber, nandun siya sa tabi ng driver, na kung saan yung harapan na kotse na kanilang sinusundan ay biglang huminto. And from the sunroof ay may isang lumabas na tao na nagpaulan ng bala. Uso kasi sa US, maski hanggang ngayon naman, yung mass shooting. And he experienced that. In fact, may mga balang tumama dun sa Uber na sinasakyan niya na may kasama din siyang kaibigan. At that point, dealers, he felt na ito ay near-death experience. Muntik na talaga siyang mamatay. At dahil din doon, Mark Bautista said, life is so precious. That's why he needs to live his life to the fullest. Breelers, bakit natin kailangang i-share itong info, itong part ng buhay ni Mark Bautista na ito? This is just a call, Breelers, para tayong lahat po ay magpa-katotoo. Hindi porkit ikaw ay nasa kloseta as of the moment, ay para sa iyo lamang ang mensaheng ito. This is really for everybody. This is a call for you to live authentically. Breelers, maraming bagay tayong ginagawa dahil sinabi ng society, sinabi ng pamilya, ng mga tao sa paligid natin. We are being forced to do something, to say something. We are not showing and reflecting our truth in everyday lives. Kung ikaw ay nagtatago hanggang ngayon at hindi mo patanggap ang iyong tunay na pagkatao, kailangan bang humantong pa tayo dun sa punto kung saan muntik ka nang mamatay? Kailangan bang hintayin natin yung nasa deathbed na tayo ng ospital o kaya sa bahay, you only have a few days left and you only have a few minutes to talk to your loved ones, to tell them what you truly feel? Kailangan bang umabot pa doon? Kailangan bang hintayin pa natin yung punto na magugunaw na ang mundo para tayo ay makipag-ayos sa mga taong nagkasala man sa iyo? I'm sure, Breelers, you understand where I am coming from. All I'm really campaigning for is, in our daily lives, please exert an effort in ensuring that you show your real self. You allow your authenticity to shine in everything that you do. I waited for a time to be depressed, Breelers, bago ako mag-come out. But coming out is just one part of my life. For 40 years, Breelers, I never allowed myself to speak my truth. It's blocked. Itong aking throat, trying to please a lot of people. I made a decision at that point in my life that I should change my reality. It's time for people to show who I really am and for people to hear what I'm about to say. So, Breelers, huwag na po nating hintayin na mangyari ang nangyari kay Mark Bautista na muntik nang mamatay, na nagkaroon ng near-death experience through mass shooting sa US. Huwag na po nating hintayin yan na mangyari yan sa buhay natin. Please take the challenge every day. Show your truth, show your authentic self to the world.